Electricity is dangerous, and you should not mess with it unless you are a professional trained YouTuber.
Yeehaw on 'em, cowboy!
Gamers everywhere are trying to get shredded out of their mind.
I was going to the gym for like 2 months.
Gamers everywhere are failing.
Terrifying model shows what avid gamers could look like in just 20 years.
In this video, I create the solution to this problem.
There it goes! Perfect volume! It's working! Oh!
Dude, it's freaking a lie. It's a lie. It's all a lie. You did it!
Hold on to your love handles, because we're about to power our gaming PC with a treadmill. Touchscreen soda dispensers. Very cool. Very neato invention. The only downside is that your Coke Zero tastes like the last guy's cranberry Fanta. Toilet paper with people's faces on it. Very funny. Edgy humor. Good time. Yeah. Downside, when you go to poop, you have to use it, and it feels wrong. Treadmill-powered gaming PC. Downsides? None. A treadmill-powered gaming PC, 1, has to be able to play the latest games at 60 FPS at least. 2, it has to be powered by the treadmill and shut off if you're not walking on it, obviously.
Wow! It just lights right up! Hang on, dude, hold on.
3, nothing can be powered externally.
Ha-ha! Yo! Lefty!
There is no outside, like I'm not plugging the treadmill into the wall. That would be trash. So first things first is we have to build an ultra low powered gaming PC. That way it doesn't suck too much juice and we can power it with our feet. For the ultra low powered gaming PC, I used a lattepanda alpha and an NVIDIA GT blah 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 blah. Here's a time lapse of me building it. All you need to know is that when this thing is under full load, it pulls 74 watts. A watt is 1 joule per second. Not sure what a joule is, but that's what we're measuring in. And you calculate watts by multiplying volts and amps. I really like time lapses of things being built. I have to wear the cowboy hat because it's the only thing I could mount the GoPro to successfully. Seriously, I had nothing that I could efficiently mount a GoPro to, and that's what led to that. I really enjoy building computers, and so this was a great excuse to buy a bunch of computer parts. I got it all working, ran some updates, and then it was time to see if it do be working, though.
Oh, look at that, boys. Woo! All right, let's see if everything's working.
It opened Fortnite, which everyone knows is the gold standard for gaming computers.
Looking good. All right, looking good. Yeah, yeah.
But don't worry, this is the first and last time that we open Fortnite. It crashed a few times,
Uh-oh, we crashed.
but after some troubleshooting, I got it to run very smoothly.
Dude, I'm insane. It works. Get wrecked on, dude.
Which means it was time to move on to the next step. Then we have to modify our treadmill to actually output power. If you just turn an electric motor without any power,
This is wild, dude.
then the positive and negative actually put out power instead of sucking it in.
A fast walk is 20 volts.
I don't know exactly how all of this works. I'm just a bro that did a bunch of research.
Lefty! It's lefty!
So here's our build, and it's pretty simple. You take the red and black wire from the motor on the treadmill, and you plug those into a converter, which takes the variable voltage and makes it one constant voltage. I broke a lot of these. And then you take that and plug it into an inverter, which takes your direct current, which makes it to where you can plug in your iPhone. So you can plug anything into it.
There it goes! Perfect volume! It's working! Oh! We did it, gamers!
So then I bolted it all together and put it on a shopping cart type of thing. And the obvious next step was to try and plug in our ultra low power gaming PC and see what happens.
Alright. We're gonna see if we can pull enough power from our treadmill to power it all. A lot of drag. Let's press OK. No! Something exploded. Something exploded good.
I told you, I broke a lot of them. We needed somewhat of a reservoir for the electricity. So I added a battery between the buck converter and the inverter, because that's a direct current. You had to make When walking briskly, my 15th little converter outputs
About 5 amps there.
5 amps.
And then almost 14 volts.
14 volts. No. 70 watts.
70 watts.
which means we'll be charging and discharging the battery at a very close rate. So we will have sustainable treadmill gameplay.
Firing it
I
up.
quickly ran a test with the gamer PC plugged into the wall but everything running. This was to make sure we had current going into the battery, the game was running fine, and my mouse and keyboard and setup and everything were all usable with the strap I mounted myself to the ceiling with.
Yeehaw, run 'em, cowboy, dude. I'm actually getting a killer workout. Hey.
Hi.
What's up?
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Everything seemed to be working perfectly, and my wife only thought I was a little crazy, so it was time for the final test. The full working treadmill-powered gaming PC, where all of the power used is in fact coming from me on the treadmill.
This is the real deal. I have to show you that there is no power going to this anywhere. You can see under there. Underwear. No power going to it. There's no power cords. We can even flip this up. See, there's the power cord going to nothing, right? Quickly flip this up to show. Okay, nothing under there. The only cable that breaks quarantine here is this Ethernet cable to transmit video signal over the internet, which goes under this ladder and then directly to that. Get leverage.
When the computer shuts off, OBS freezes on the last frame it received. That's why you're seeing the start menu from when I previously shut down the computer. This is important to know for later.
So when I start walking, I turn this up to the proper voltage and hit go. Ugh! Drag increases on the feet. Okay.
Voltage
Now-
regulating.
Well, that's happening.
Initiating power phase 1.
We got power going there. I can't stop. And I have to turn on the
Initiating
lattepanda.
power phase 2.
This button. I think I got it. I think we're turning on.
Full system
Okay.
go.
I think that did it. I sure hope it did it. We're currently running on treadmill power. Ah! We're running on treadmill power. Okay. And then when I start the screen record software, we should now get video feed to the computer, correct? Fire up the game. Dude, I haven't done any endurance training.
This is pretty simple at this point. If the percentage reaches 0%, the PC will turn off. If I stop completely, according to my calculation, according to my research, I have about 1 to 2 minutes of playtime.
All right. We are playing Valorant. I'm in queue. The drag goes up and down. Yeehaw, on 'em, cowboy. We got a match. Our percentage is going up. That's good news. Maybe we can pace ourselves a little slower now. We're currently running completely on treadmill power. We're in. Our percentage is going down. We're gonna have to walk quicker, dude. Oh, we go. Let's hit the shot. Ah, no.
In this moment, I didn't know exactly what happened. I stumbled a little bit, so my voltage was dropping really fast. I got flashbanged in the game, but also I flicked and hit this dude's head. My first encounter ever in Valorant while on a treadmill. Freaking treadmill Tommy, baby!
Oh, no, no. No, dude. I gotta get a kill. I gotta get 1 kill. My percentage is going down. I'm running out of stamina. I need a better gun, dude. I'm gonna dumpster some kid. Okay, this is it. I can feel it.
I'm gonna fault line you, I'll push that.
I have a very good source that says you've never tried to aim while on a treadmill, so I don't want to hear it.
Dude, it's so hard to aim. How does she jump like that? Why am I playing CS Overwatch?
That's when we strike.
Oh no! Faster! Faster! We're dying because I got fatigued. Yes! I did it! Dude, he's not even on a treadmill. He's so bad. Yo! You wrecked, kid. Oh, I flicked though.
I had to take a breather. That's just all there was to it. I rested for about 30 seconds and lost about 20% of my buffer.
We're powering it. Oh, don't worry.
And then I gave it my one last final push.
Leroy! Leroy! I'm insane. Flank! Big flank! No! Yo! Yo! I'm insane! I clutched! I clutched it! Yes! I clutched, dude! I clutched treadmill! I clutched treadmill! I did. That's all I got. It turned off! I'm a treadmill gamer. I'm a treadmill gamer. Deuces, treadmill gamers. Till next time on Treadmill Gamering. I want to shout out my Instagram.
Being married is a lot like dating, but you talk about poop a lot more.
Well, you see, I have a very elaborate connectivity device to my treadmill, which generates
Also, if I don't get shocked at least once during this whole thing, I will be very shocked.
It's the man with the Wii remote.